Hi, welcome back to Hostbox channel. The tutorial for artificial intelligence and who are preparing UGC NET and college level BTech and some of the competitive exams. Today we are going to see the topic called Introduction to Intelligent Agents and their types with the example. The previous session I explained about the proportional logic and real-time example. Please kindly check the playlist for update and continuation classes. Today we get the idea about what is agent and what is maybe intelligent agent and why we need and so much important and what is the use of PEIS meaning and everything. So what is agent in A and A can be defined as a study of the rational agent and its environment and also here A can have mental properties like knowledge, belief, intention, etc. And also what is maybe rational agent? It could be anything which make decisions as a person like a film machine or software. So do you know already informed? So his machines can think like a human. For finding the answer only participants you get the solution. So before going the agent we have to know this diagram. I go to another mode. So let's take the example of robotics in the manufacturing industry. So the starting stage of the robotics, what happened, it won't support properly. Today we are getting this lighter robotics. What is the use means what it can work continuously and what are the target you're giving it achieve to carry the product, fixing the equipments, what are there, it will go and do it properly. It's back to PPT here. So environment and observe everything you have. Now what is an agent? An agent can be anything that perceive its environment through sensors, act upon the environment through actuators or actions. Then it runs in the cycle of perceiving, thinking and acting. And also what some example agent can be what? In the view of artificial intelligence, it can be human agent or robotic agent or software agent. What is a human agent? The human agent has like ears, organs which work for sensor and hand and so on. And robotic agents what? Just now we see in the example, it can have cameras, informed rangefinder, NLP for sensors and so on. And software agent was it can have keystrokes like file contents and so on. In the upcoming session we will discuss all the agents. Today we will see up to the introduction of agents and stop there. Now what are the goals of agent? One is called high performance, another is optimize the result, another is rational action. What is high performance? That means the agent who are what are the software developing with the agent software or robotics, it should not have lower performance. High performance means it achieve the target and give the good, they take the decisions properly and do the work what are the assigned. Robotics or whatever there. Optimized result means exact result. What kind of result we are expecting? So for example, if we make a factory oriented robotics, job of what in the environment we observe and do the work continuously. At last, rational action. So what are the actions and decisions it can take easily and do it? It never do irrelevant activities. Now what is my intelligence? It's an autonomous entity which acts upon an environment using sensors and actuators for achieving the goals. And also the intelligent agent may learn from environment to achieve their goals, and there are 4 rules available for the intelligent agent. Rule number 1, an AI agent must have ability to perceive the environment. Rule number 2, the observation must be used to make decisions, and rule number 3, decisions should result in action. At last, the action taken by the AI agent must be a rational action. So the best example in Japan like countries, they have a housemaid robotics. The job of robotics what? Always preparing the tea and circulate the people who are in the house, maybe owner or kids, family members and so on. And structure of AI, there are the structure of AI two is important. One is called the agent will be divided into architecture plus agent program. Now why we need structure of agent? Because this is the one where it will say the application and what purpose we are going to develop the structure of AI, whether it's for factory oriented or housemaid or some other traffic police, whatever they can do it here. And what is the architecture in view of artificial intelligence? Architecture means it's a machinery that an AI agent executes on. An agent function. What is agent function? It's used to map a percept to an action. And agent program, it's nothing. It's an implementation of agent function. And PS representation. There are 4 points important. What is P? Perceiving, that is performance measure, environment, and followed by actuators and sensors. So environment means if you design a example factory, it should be work for a factory in anywhere in India. It's in India or it may be Japan. Based on the environment, which factory you are going to apply, it should be work. So it should be, it's not say work not working or any complaints here. Achieve the target is very important here. At last we can say some example. medical diagnosis where performance measure is, we can say, healthy patient, and environment is what, patient and hospital staff, and actuators are test and treatments, what kind of treatment, and the keyboard, sensors keyboard, so we can give the input through keyboard and view the output in the monitor screen. Today COVID-19, most of the robotics are giving treatment same environment, giving the because pandemic is also it helping, and good decisions, good and well and good. And what are the types of agents? Called followed by 5 categories. One called simple reflex agents, another called model based reflex agents, another one called goal based, another one called utility, atlas learning agent. These topics we will see in the upcoming session, and these are points about, these are introduction about the what is agent and what is intelligent in AI subject. Thanks for, if you have any queries or comments, please communicate with us. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.